So let's take a look at our gold. Before we actually take our gold, I've done a video on how to trade gold, especially the fundamental part. We looked at the fundamental part. So if you find this video helpful, just check my channel. I've pinned the video up. You'll be able to watch it. Now our gold for the week, as we can see, I'm on the daily time frame. We analyze from our daily time frame, and one thing about our trend is that we would want to trade what we see and not what we think, by the way. So as we can see, our price is actually ranging daily move. As we can see, our price is actually ranging on this our key level here. So now that our price has given us a support here, a support here, a support here, and our price is actually ranging, we should actually take it as a support where our price will now start going bullish for the week. So this week we are aiming to go bullish on our gold. By the way, our gold to our USD, we are aiming to go bullish on our gold. So now, as we can see, now we've actually starting to will probably be going bullish. One thing I've analyzed on our USD index is that our USD itself will be falling, by the way. So when our index is actually falling, then it makes sense that our gold should be rising this week. So I mean, if our gold is rising, our USD should actually be falling, right? So now we can see our gold to our USD, it has actually hit our support area. We are now aiming for a sell, by the way, and we can take it as a false breakout. Let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. As we can see, a false breakout. Now our price is now starting to push up. So it will push up, give us a pullback, push up, give us a pullback, push up. So that is exactly what we probably be getting for the week. So it is now time for us to start going uptrend on our gold for the week. Now let's take a look. Before you actually take your buy gold, I will advise you, go to your 20-minute time frame or your 30-minute time frame on this our gold spot to our USD. When you see multiple break or structure upward, I'll say it is a good time to actually take our buy position. Now we can see on our 20 minutes time frame, you can see this multiple break or structure upward, a pull or push up, a pull down, a bullish move, a pull down, a bullish move, a pull down. Now we see this bullish move. Our price now waiting to break this our previous higher highs. This was our previous higher highs, right? So our price is now aiming to break above it. So I will advise you, take your bullish move as we have predicted on our daily time frame. Our gold will be going bullish, and on our 20-minute time frame, it is actually giving us an uptrend move. So it is clear we are actually going to be going bullish on our gold. So take your buy on your gold for the week. That is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. Thank you.